welcome back, my dear students. I hope you're having a lot of fun. I'm enjoying teaching you this information. It's really awesome. All right. So as you can see here, getting information from the database, displaying is super simple. Inserting information, super simple. Updating information, super simple. Let's go ahead and do the last one, which is delete. All right. So delete is actually simpler than all of this. All right. So we're going to create this delete method in the controllers. And we're just going to say, you know what? I'm just going to write it down. I'm going to say this, all right, user model, delete users, all right? And all we have to do is pass in an ID here, all right? So I'm just going to say, you know what? I'm going to pass in the ID for number 3 because I want to delete that guy, William. I don't know who he is. So we're going to delete William. There we go. We're going to pass in the ID to the user model. And we're going to go ahead and create this method in the user model right here. So let's go ahead and do that. All right. Function. There we go. So you can see, super simple to do. And then here, I'm going to say this DB where. All right. I'm going to put an associative array there. And I'm going to say ID equals, oops, the ID. There we go. And then we're going to say this DB, and then we're going to say delete in the users table. All right. So this is how you code in CodeIgniter. You start from the top. And remember that in regular PHP, all right, if you're used to it, we usually do this on top. We select, right? We delete from users where ID, and we put this where statement somewhere at the end, right? Well, in CodeIgniter, we do it from the top. It will build it, all right? We know how to build it. So this is how we start coding in CodeIgniter. And we're going to say delete here and enter. Oops, undefined variable ID in user model. All right, that's because, let's go to the user model. User model, there we go. And we're not passing it in right here. Oop, shame on me. Enter. There we go. We'll refresh. Make sure you save everything all the time. I'm always saving using my keyboard shortcuts. Refresh. And as you can see, that record with ID number 3 is gone. So we are actually learning a lot of stuff here, right? So I think we need to jump into making a project. What do you think? All right, so let's start doing that after this lecture, maybe. So if you see it, a new section after this lecture, it could be a section where we're gonna build a little project. It could be anything, but of course I would tell you in the title of that section. All right, if we are doing it. So I'll see you in the next lecture. Let's get a surprise. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Keep active, keep motivated. You're learning something super valuable. Wake up. If you need some coffee, drink some coffee. If you need some type of natural energy drink, drink it, because you need this information to become better at what you do. And becoming better is going to help you make more money. All right? And money is not everything, but it sure is a lot. See you in the next lecture. Take care.